Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and review the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into something essential for any office setup: the Brother DR431CL drum unit. If you're looking for superior print quality and reliability, you're in the right place. Before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our reviews. Let's kick things off by introducing the Brother DR431CL drum unit, a crucial component in Brother's printing system. This drum unit is designed to deliver superior print quality and is part of a complete printing system that's engineered for excellence. At Brother, quality is not just a buzzword, it's their philosophy. This philosophy extends to every aspect of their organization, from manufacturing to materials, products, and services. They're committed to providing the best, and it shows in their products. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The Brother DR431CL drum unit is a genuine Brother product with a remarkable 30,000 page yield. That's a lot of printing power packed into this unit. It's designed to work seamlessly as part of a complete printing system, ensuring exceptional results. When it comes to recommended uses, this drum unit is perfect for office environments where quality and reliability are non-negotiable. Whether you're printing reports, important documents, or marketing materials, you can count on the Brother DR431CL to deliver. In conclusion, the Brother DR431CL drum unit is more than just an imaging drum. It's a symbol of quality and reliability. With a generous page yield and seamless integration into Brother's printing system, it's a must-have for any office looking to produce superior print results. That wraps up our review of the Brother DR431CL drum unit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues who rely on top-notch print quality. Have you used Brother products before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us at Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next tech review.